start trusting until you feel it's like that.
Turn around! Good job,
I don't care so much.
I've got a couple of feathers in there.
Started growling.
Is that not small round?
I think it.
Who's the thing with the bird on your shoulders? Not to turn and look at them.
How's it going up there, Rachel?
I mean, I turned them off. It's just
Hi, Rachel. Oh, you're the birdie. Are you going up on my head?
Oh, look at him.
No, you don't want it. Can I get on the bar? Good boy, come here. Good boy.
You got a fluffy?
Oh my God.
You got a fluffy? Oh, where'd it go?
If I hold the table, so
Can we go get it, Rachel? Let's go get it. Hang on, hold on tight. Those big claws. Easy on the next one, easy on the next one. Come over, come on. Get on my shoulder. Does your little sister get to hold Rachel? No.
There you go. Alright, you were in this time. There you go.
It's okay to have a little dark humor.